Did you know that nearly 30% of your email subscribers might never open your first email? But what if I told you there's a way to reach out to them without annoying the rest of your audience or hurting your sender reputation? I'm Eric from Strategic Gmail, and in today's video, I'm going to deep dive into how you can effortlessly send emails to those who didn't open your email the first time in Klaviyo while keeping your deliverability intact. Whether you're running an e-commerce business or promoting a product launch, this technique is a game changer. Resending emails to non-openers can boost your open rate and engagement. However, it is important to do this strategically. The key is to avoid overusing this tactic, as frequent resends to the same non-engaged subscribers can damage your sender reputation. Instead, focus on high priority emails like new product launches or limited time offers. Here's how we do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to first create a segment for people who did not open the email. The way we do that is in this left-hand side, we're going to click on Audience, and then we're going to go to Lists and Segments. Click that. Click on Create New. We're going to click on Create Segment. Type in a name. I'm going to call this Unopened Test 1. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select the conditions. The first thing is what someone has done or not done. We're going to click into this active on site and we're going to change it to received email. Click that. We're going to leave at least once selected here. And then we're going to click on the in the last drop-down box and we're going to change that to overall time. We're going to click this plus this add filter button, which unfortunately is right behind me, but it says add filter. It's right underneath the trash can. And we're going to say where the drop down, we're going to change campaign name to test. These are all the users who received the test campaign. We're going to go ahead and add a condition. The condition is going to be and. The second one is going to be when someone has done or not done. And then we're going to click on person has, change from active on site to opened email. We're going to change this at least once to 0 times. And then we're going to click on in the last box and overall time. So it's saying that this person did receive the email at least once, but did not open it. If you have multiple campaigns going, you can click the filter again, and you can change the dimension to campaign name equals test. I believe it's not set up for me because I only have one person in this list, so that's the reason why it's not showing up. We're going to add another condition, so we're going to click on Add Condition. In the selected condition, it's going to be when someone has done or not done, and then it's going to be clicked email, and then 0 times, and then overall time. We're going to add that filter again, and we're going to say where if this is an option for you, it's going to be the same as where campaign name equals test. So once we have that, this is saying that a person received the email at least once and did not open it and also did not click it. So as you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, maybe, it says that there is one person, but also up here it says segment profiles is 1. If you want to see those people, you can click on View Details, and then you can click on Create Segment. You would think it'd go faster because there's only one profile on here, but whatever. Once the segment has been loaded, we're going to go back to Lists and Segments. See, we have unopened test 1 here. Members is 1. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and resend this campaign to the people who are in this unopened test 1 segment. The way we do that is we're going to go on the left side, go to campaigns. And since this was for test, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll over here to the right. And again, unfortunately, behind me, there is the 3 dots that is in 3 vertical dots that are about right here. You're going to click that and you're going to say clone. I'm going to change the name of the clone campaign to test resend to opened. The list, we're going to change this to unopened test 1. Click on continue. It has the exact same information as your original test campaign. So if you want to change the subject line saying, we missed you, or if you want to add some information into the body of the email, you can do so here. But I'm going to click on next, and we go to our confirmation page, and I'm going to say schedule or send. Here you can choose whether to schedule it or send it now. I'm going to send it now. Click on send now. We have now resent our email to our unopened list. After you resend the email, it's crucial to measure its impact. Check your campaign analytics in Klaviyo to see how the resend performed. Look at open rates, click-through rates, and most importantly, conversion rates. This data will help you refine your future resending to unopened campaigns. If you found this video helpful, click the link in the video description below to sign up for my free email newsletter, where I share tips, tricks, and other strategies to help you increase your conversions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.